Mr. Billy. She's so lucky. She's the one who getting married soon.
Perhaps the I fancy.
Mark my words, Jane, you must charm him.
One of you. Who knows?
Girls, Netherfield Fork as a lieutenant, Mr. Bailey a wealthy bachelor.
May I have this glass?
It will be my pleasure, Mr. Billy.
Elizabeth, Venus is terrible, but not handsome enough to tempt you.
What an arrogance!
Cousin Elizabeth, it is my honor to offer you my hand in marriage.
Sir, I must decline. I cannot make you happy, nor you me.
Please, how could you refuse? He's your future security.
I don't want this marriage with Mr. Collins.
My daughter, you can choose wisely. Choose wisely for your better future. Against my better judgment, I admire you. Will you marry me?
After insulting my family and Jane's happiness, never! Perhaps I was too quick to judge him.
I separated Jane and Bingley because I believe she did not return his affection. Regarding Mr. Wickham, he attempted to elope my sister for her fortune.
Idiots run well free, Mr. Wickham. What shame upon our family.
Darcy, can you help us?
Okay, Miss Elizabeth, I'm willing to help you.
Thank you.
Spinnet, may I hope that your feelings for me may have not changed?
They have not, Mr. David.
away Elizabeth. But I love your sister. I want her to run away with me.
No, Mr. Wickham. I love my sister so much. I don't want to hurt her. When reality is better than your dreams, that's exactly what I feel when you look at me.
Despite misunderstanding, love and understanding prevailed. The Benitez rejoiced as two of their daughters married for life and happiness.
And now the wait is over, and I stare at you and wonder who could have.
Have your feelings for me changed, Miss Elizabeth?
They have entirely.
Like and share. Subscribe.
Thank you for watching! Okay na? What an arrogance! Ay, sure! Pwede mo naman siya na
Ako naman. Bye-bye!
Mister, what are you doing? What's happening? Is that Mr. Billy? She's so lucky. She's the one who's getting married soon. Ooh, so...
Perhaps she fancy one of you. Who knows? Perhaps she fancy one of you. Who knows? Perhaps fancy. Mali. Perhaps one of you. Mali po, mali. Oh. Perhaps we are fancy. Who knows?
I fancy one of you.
Yeah. Perhaps you're fancy. One of you. Mali ba? Perhaps you're fancy. One of you. Who knows? Perhaps you're fancy.
Heal! Paano heal? Oh, let
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
Perhaps. You are fancy. Perhaps. He are fancy. One of you. Who knows? Perhaps he are fancy.
Yan na yung sinabi. Okay na? Okay na? Hindi.
Pag sinabi ko yun,
Elizabeth, Vinit is terrible but not handsome enough to tempt me.
What an arrogance.
Elizabeth. It is my honor to offer you my hand in marriage.
Sir, I must decline. I cannot make you happy. Nor you me.
Elizabeth, it is my honor to offer you hand in marriage.
Sir, I must decline. I cannot make you happy. Wait, naman sasalita ba ako dyan?
Elizabeth, it is my honor to offer you my hand in marriage.
Sir, I must decline. I cannot make you happy. Nor you me.
It is my Elizabeth, it is my honor to open.
Okay na kasi ganun.
Elizabeth, it is my honor to offer you my hand in marriage. Ulit.
Trigo.
Cousin Elizabeth, it is my honor to offer you my hand in marriage.
Sir, I must decline. I cannot make you happy anymore. Ay, shoot! Pwede mo naman siya na Father, I don't want this marriage.
Go. Kapli. 3, 2, 1.
My father, I don't want this marriage with Mr. Collins.
My daughter, you can choose wisely. Choose wisely for your better future.
My father, I don't want this marriage.
My father, I don't want this marriage with Mr. Collins.
Father, I don't want this marriage with Mr. Collins. With Mr. Collins. My father, I don't want this marriage with Mr. Collins.
My daughter, choose wisely for your... Tanga lang. Perhaps. Novel?
Ulit.
Perhaps the island lies sea. One of you, who knows?
Tatakbo ka na ganyan?
Go na.
Kaya pa. Guys, pasilid.
Ay,
Grabe yung pag-ayos yan. May sunburn na kami dito.
wala kang sunscreen de ah.
Ay! Tagalin mo pa. Oh, 1 minute. Yan, para maganda yung...
Ganyan lang daw kayo ah.
Ang ano nyo na!
Hindi.
Mrs. Darcy, please give me your... Mrs. Darcy. Mrs. Darcy. Tapos,
Hi vlog! Welcome to me guys!
Tagal naman.
Mrs. Darcy, una Mrs. Darcy, please give me your... Tapos dalawa Mrs. Darcy, tapos ito ka na.
Lahat kami!
Mrs. Darcy. Mrs. Darcy. Uy, magkakala! Kasi! Natalikod mo nga ako dito. Natalikod mo nga ako ng gano'n. Oh, pero may na lang. Natulak mo ako. Oo, tapos. Tama ako. Gagawin ba? Nailang kasi ako sa kiss eh.
Oh, may kiss! May kiss kayo?
Kamay.
Kamay lang. Ah, kamay lang naman. Sige mo.
Hindi, talikod kayo. Tapos, hindi ka gano'n tayo ba?
O, go, ikot lang.